Stop scrolling for just 1 minute if you feel like your body is betraying you faster than it should. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin has lost its glow? Why your joints ache every single morning? Or why your energy levels hit rock bottom before the clock even strikes noon? Most people dismiss this as just getting old. But today, we are uncovering a hidden truth that most mainstream health advice completely ignores. You might be taking vitamin D supplements religiously, thinking you are protected. You might even be eating what you think is a healthy diet. But here is the shocking reality. You are likely making one critical mistake that is actually accelerating your aging process. It is not just about the dosage. It is about the activation. Without understanding the secret synergy between sunlight, dietary fats, and essential minerals like magnesium, that expensive supplement is doing almost nothing for your cells. In this video, inspired by the profound natural health teachings of Barbara O'Neill, we aren't just giving you a list of vitamins. We are revealing the 7 essential strategies to reclaim your vitality, from the specific golden hour of morning sun to the exact way you must consume your meals to trigger cellular repair. Don't let a silent deficiency steal your best years. If you want to stop the clock and start healing from the inside out, you need to hear this. Let's fix this mistake, starting right now. Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we uncover the hidden secrets to longevity, focusing today on the vital power of vitamin D. Many people suffer from a silent deficiency that accelerates aging, weakens bones, and dulls the mind without them even knowing it. This invisible shortage is not just about fatigue. It fundamentally affects your skin elasticity, your muscle strength, and your overall emotional balance. Vitamin D is often misunderstood as just a simple vitamin, but it actually functions more like a powerful hormone within us. Without adequate levels of this nutrient, our structural foundation begins to crumble, leaving us vulnerable to fractures and chronic physical pain. The impact extends beyond bones. It silently disrupts our immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off infections. Your skin also tells a story, as low levels can lead to a lackluster complexion and a significant loss of elasticity. Mental health is deeply connected here, with studies showing a strong link between low vitamin D and increased risk of depression. Fortunately, this condition is reversible if we understand the correct strategies to restore our levels naturally and effectively every single day. Today, we will guide you through 7 specific science-backed strategies to optimize your vitamin D levels and reclaim your youthful vitality. The first and most natural strategy involves harnessing the power of the morning sun, specifically between the hours of 7 and 9. This specific time window is crucial because the angle of the sun provides beneficial UVB rays without the intense heat of midday. Exposing your skin for just 15 to 20 minutes during this time can stimulate your body to produce significant amounts of vitamin D. It is important to expose as much skin as comfortable, allowing the biological process of synthesis to occur directly on the surface. For this short morning session, avoid using sunscreen as it can block the essential rays needed to trigger vitamin D production. Studies indicate that even a low SPF sunscreen can reduce the body's ability to manufacture this hormone by more than 90%. Use this time to relax, read a book, or meditate, turning a health necessity into a peaceful ritual for your mental well-being. The sunlight converts cholesterol in your skin into vitamin D3, which then travels to your liver and kidneys to become active. However, be mindful of your skin type and never stay out long enough to burn, as that causes damage rather than benefits. Those with darker skin tones naturally have more melanin, which acts as a shield, requiring longer exposure to produce the same amount. Cloud cover, smog, and geographic location also play a role, so you might need to adjust your time based on your environment. Remember that sitting behind a glass window does not count, as glass blocks the specific UVB rays required for this synthesis. Combining this sun exposure with gentle movement like walking or Tai Chi enhances circulation, helping distribute the nutrient throughout your body. Once the clock passes 10 in the morning, The UV index rises sharply, so it is wise to protect your skin afterwards. Making this morning routine a daily habit is the most effective and natural way to maintain your levels without spending a penny. When sunlight is not available or sufficient, we must turn to our second strategy, consuming fatty fish rich in essential nutrients. Fatty fish like wild-caught salmon are nature's superfoods, packed with high concentrations of vitamin D that are easily absorbed by the body. Mackerel and sardines are also excellent choices, offering a potent dose of nutrition in smaller, more sustainable, and affordable serving sizes. Whenever possible, choose wild-caught varieties, as they contain significantly higher levels of vitamin D compared to their farm-raised counterparts. These fish are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which work in perfect harmony to assist in the absorption of vitamin D. Cooking these fish gently helps preserve their nutrient profile, ensuring you get the maximum benefit from every delicious meal you prepare. Aim to include a serving of fatty fish in your diet at least 3 times a week to maintain steady levels. Canned options can be just as effective and are a convenient way to ensure you meet your dietary goals without extensive preparation. Incorporating these foods into your lifestyle not only boosts your vitamin D, but also supports heart health and cognitive function. For those who dislike the taste of fish, cod liver oil is a potent alternative, providing a concentrated dose in liquid form. Opting for smaller fish like sardines also minimizes the risk of mercury ingestion, making them a safer choice for long-term consumption. The combination of healthy fats and vitamin D is particularly powerful for protecting the aging brain against decline and memory loss. By prioritizing fatty fish in your weekly menu, you build a strong nutritional foundation that supports your entire body. Sometimes diet and sunlight are not enough, which brings us to our third strategy, proper and effective supplementation for seniors. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D, making high-quality supplements a necessary addition for many. For most people over 60, the recommended daily intake ranges from 2,000 to 4,000 international units to be effective. However, simply swallowing a pill with water on an empty stomach is a common mistake that leads to very poor absorption. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning it absolutely requires dietary fat to be dissolved and absorbed into your bloodstream. You must always take your supplement alongside a meal that contains healthy fats, such as avocado, olive oil, or dairy products. Studies show that taking vitamin D with a substantial meal can increase absorption by up to 50% compared to fasting. While supplementation is vital, more is not always better. Excessively high doses can lead to toxicity, so balance is key. The only way to know your exact needs is to get a blood test to measure your current 25-hydroxy vitamin D levels. Aim for a blood level between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter to ensure optimal health and disease prevention. Consider pairing vitamin D with vitamin K2, which helps direct calcium into your bones rather than letting it calcify your arteries. Consistency is crucial, so try to take your supplements at the same time each day to build a reliable, healthy habit. Liquid drops are often easier for the body to absorb than dry tablets and can be easily added to your food. By choosing the right dose and pairing it with fat, you maximize the effectiveness of every single unit you consume. Our fourth strategy involves a critical partner that is often overlooked but essential for vitamin D function, the mineral magnesium. Vitamin D enters the body in an inactive form and absolutely requires magnesium to be converted into its active, usable state. Without sufficient magnesium, taking vitamin D can actually deplete your magnesium stores further, leaving you feeling tired and achy. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse source, providing one of the highest concentrations of magnesium found in any natural food source. Dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard should be staples in your diet to ensure you have enough of this mineral. Surprisingly, high-quality dark chocolate is also a good source. allowing you to enjoy a treat while supporting your nutrient levels. Sadly, modern agricultural soil is depleted of minerals, meaning many seniors are chronically deficient in magnesium without realizing it. Avocados offer a double benefit, providing both the healthy fats needed for absorption and the magnesium needed for activation. You can also absorb magnesium through your skin by taking warm baths with Epsom salts, which relaxes muscles and joints. If you choose to supplement, look for forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are gentle on the stomach and well absorbed. Avoid magnesium oxide, a common but cheap form that is poorly absorbed by the body and can cause digestive upset. Creating meals that combine these magnesium-rich foods with your vitamin D sources creates a powerful synergy for your health. Remember, vitamin D cannot do its job without magnesium, so ensure you are getting enough of this master mineral daily. This leads us to strategy number 5, a fundamental element of life that acts as the transportation system for all nutrients: hydration. Proper hydration ensures that your blood volume is sufficient to transport vitamin D and other nutrients efficiently to every cell. As we age, our sensation of thirst diminishes, making it easy to become dehydrated without even feeling the need to drink. Dehydrated cells become resistant to nutrient uptake, meaning even if you take vitamins, they might not get where they need to go. Start your day with a glass of warm water, perhaps with lemon, to wake up your digestive system and metabolism. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip consistently throughout the day, rather than trying to chug large amounts all at once. Herbal teas are a wonderful way to hydrate, providing warmth and variety without the dehydrating effects of excessive caffeine. You can also eat your water by consuming fruits and vegetables like watermelon and cucumber, which are packed with structured fluid. Limit sugary sodas and alcohol, as these beverages act as diuretics, stripping your body of precious fluids and minerals. A simple way to check your status is to look at your urine. It should be a pale, straw-colored yellow. Well-hydrated skin is also more resilient and better able to perform its functions, including the synthesis of vitamin D from sunlight. Make water your primary beverage to create the optimal internal environment for nutrient transport and overall cellular health. Our 6th strategy brings us back to the farm, focusing on a humble yet powerful superfood: free-range egg yolks. Not all eggs are created equal. The nutrient content depends entirely on how the chicken was raised and what it ate. Chickens that roam outside in the sunlight produce yolks with 3 to 4 times more vitamin D than caged hens. That deep orange color is a visual marker of high levels of carotenoids and essential vitamins stored within the yolk. Besides vitamin D, these yolks are rich in biotin for hair health and choline for brain function and liver health. Eating the whole egg is crucial, as the yolk contains almost all the vitamins, while the white is mostly protein. Do not fear the cholesterol in eggs. It is a necessary building block for hormone production, including testosterone and estrogen. Support local farmers who raise their hens on pasture, as this ensures you get the highest quality nutrition available. Soft-boiled or poached eggs are ideal, as excessive heat can degrade some of the delicate nutrients found in the yolk. Pair your eggs with leafy greens to add magnesium to the meal, further supporting the activation of the vitamin D. Incorporating pasture-raised eggs into your diet provides a delicious, natural multivitamin package that supports healthy aging. Our final strategy is about environment, managing light exposure to protect your circadian rhythm and natural hormonal balance. Artificial blue light from screens signals your brain that it is still daytime, disrupting the production of melatonin and sleep. Poor sleep quality increases stress hormones like cortisol, which can directly interfere with vitamin D receptors and absorption. To counter this, try to view the sunset, which provides near-infrared light that helps prepare your body for restorative sleep. If you must use devices at night, use blue light blocking glasses or switch your screens to a warm amber mode. Dim the lights in your home 2 hours before bed to simulate a natural evening environment and signal your body to rest. Aim to spend at least 30 to 45 minutes outdoors every day to regulate your internal biological clock. Being in nature not only provides light, but also lowers stress levels, creating a better internal environment for nutrient utilization. Sleep in a completely dark room to maximize melatonin production, which works in tandem with vitamin D for immune health. By respecting the natural cycles of light and dark, you empower your body to heal, regenerate, and age gracefully. We have covered 7 powerful strategies: morning sun, fatty fish, smart supplementation, magnesium, hydration, quality eggs, and light balance. These are not just tips. They are a lifestyle blueprint designed to help you reclaim your energy and vitality. When you optimize your vitamin D levels, you are strengthening the very foundation of your physical and mental well-being. Start with 1 or 2 changes this week, perhaps a morning walk or a new fish recipe, and build from there. If you found this information valuable, please share this video with friends or family who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to Live Well Insights and turn on notifications so you never miss our future health guides. Thank you for watching. Take care of your body, embrace the light, and live your healthiest life. See you next time.